Want to speak English correctly and confidently? In this video, you'll learn 40 of the most common grammar mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. Each mistake is clearly explained with examples, so you can speak more naturally and accurately. She can sing well. She can sing well. Use the base verb after can. He don't like pizza. He doesn't like pizza. Use doesn't with he, she, it. I didn't went to school. I didn't go to school. Use base verb after didn't. Me and John went there. John and I went there. Use I as the subject, not me. She very tall. She is very tall. Add the verb is. Where you are going? Where are you going? In questions, use verb before subject. He live in London. He lives in London. Add s for he, she, it in present simple. They has 2 dogs. They have 2 dogs. Use have with they, we, I, you. She married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor. Say married to, not with. We was happy. We were happy. Use were with we, you, they. He told to me the truth. He told me the truth. No to after told. I'm agree with you. I agree with you. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. Let's to go home. Let's go home. Don't use to after let's. Do you can help me? Can you help me? Don't use do with modal verbs. I have 25 years. I am 25 years old. Use am for age, not have. It depends of the weather. It depends on the weather. Say depend on, not of. The informations are useful. The information is useful. Information is uncountable. He said me to wait. He told me to wait. Use told someone, not said me. She is married since 2010. She has been married since 2010. Use present perfect with since. He is more taller than me. He is taller than me. Don't use more with adjectives. He has saw that movie. He has seen that movie. Use past participle with has, have. She didn't went to work. She didn't go to work. Always use the base verb after didn't. He is good in math. He is good at math. Use good at, not in. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Don't use am with agree. It's a verb. She didn't knew the answer. She didn't know the answer. Base verb after didn't. This is more better. This is better. Better is already a comparative. That's depends. It depends. Use the correct subject plus verb. He is married with a teacher. He is married to a teacher. Always married to. She is doctor. She is a doctor. Use a and before professions. I like very much this book. I like this book very much. Correct word order matters. I didn't understood. I didn't understand. Use base form after didn't. We enjoyed very much. We enjoyed ourselves very much. Enjoy needs a reflexive pronoun here. I have seen her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. Use past simple with time words like yesterday. She plays piano. She plays the piano. Use the with instruments. I am not agree. I don't agree. Use don't agree, not am. He do a lot of work. He does a lot of work. Use does with he, she, it. She didn't told me. She didn't tell me. Never use past tense after didn't. I didn't knew about it. I didn't know about it. Base verb after didn't. My hairs are black. My hair is black. Hair is uncountable in English. He is more tall than me. He is taller than me. Use taller, not more tall.